favorite, Jason Pitter. He runs out of lane 5. Off they go. Clean start now. We look to Pitter in lane 5. Ranging up now on Jaden Campbell, Jabari Matheson, and Nishawn Walker. Pitter looks so composed down the backstretch, middle of your screen there just now. Just gliding his way down the backstretch, Jason Pitter. He's a class act. They hit the 150-meter marker. Jason Pitter of Kingston College on the outside. Nishawn Walker of Titchfield. Jabari Matheson of William Knibb running a stout race at this stage. But the class act in the lineup takes command now. Jason Pitter of Kingston College goes clear of Jabari Matheson of William Knibb. It's Jason Pitter from Matheson back in third from KC. Jabulani McLeod 46.08. The flash time for the winner, Jason Pitter, officially now 46.11 seconds. Matheson second, 46.72. McLeod third, 47.05.
That's the real deal. Don't look at the time. He very composed, well within himself. Walk on the outside, running blind, but running a very good race. Getting tight now at 300 meters, and Matheson starts to make his move. But Pitter, so elegant, so smooth. A flag goes up. A yellow flag goes up on the top turn. But it's Pitter and Matheson shoulder to shoulder with 50 meters to go. The blinding speed of this 16-year-old. He dives to the line, tries to get another sub 46, but this is an impressive performance from the just turned 16-year-old. 27th of May, 2010. Very composed, very smooth, and the KC boys win the under 18 category and under 20. And they have a big team for next year as well, if this is any indication.
Yes, it was well measured from Jason Pitter. That effort, 46.11, his winning time. Jabari Matheson second, 46.72. Jabulani McLeod, KC third, 47.05 seconds.
So the top three there for the under 20 boys, 400. We should be having an international men's 400 meter, then the women's senior 400 final, followed by the men's equivalent. The next events on the track here on the final day of these championships.
Yeah, and just a bit of history. The sport runs rich in Jabulani McLeod's family. His sister, Janelle McLeod, went to Immaculate, triple jumper for them, moved on to the Yellow Jackets of Georgia Tech, that is.